Hi, so my name is Shah. I study at Bombay International School and I live in Mumbai. I think that before I came to this fellowship, I used to think of AI more as a tool, not than something which we can actually utilize. And as I've been going on through this fellowship, I've realized the power of AI and also how we can use it not only as a tool, but this as a solution of all our problems, and we can integrate it seamlessly into our projects. Basically, do things that humans find meticulous, things that we cannot physically do. Being able to go through a data set which contains 1 million entries in a few minutes is absolutely insane. I think that in the next year, problems that we are facing currently will be abolished completely, and the types of problems we'll be facing will be completely different. It's quite different from having, let's say, 2x jump in a field to having a 5000x jump in a field. And this is one of those leaps where we're not going to be seeing the same problems, we're not going to be seeing remotely the same problems. We're going to see completely vast and different ideas of how technology is today. I'd say definitely inspiring. For example, when we just reached over here, everyone's ideas were so new and so fresh, and everyone had these kind of vague about their idea, but they were really inspired about it. And as we've gone through the program, I've really been able to see everyone's ideas develop. Some ideas have changed completely, including mine, but just seeing how everyone's idea is now a full-fledged idea and a full-fledged product, being able to interact with those products, it's absolutely inspiring how in just 2 weeks we'll be able to go from basically just an idea to a full-fledged product. Harshvardhan sir has been an instrumental part of my journey, and I think whenever I was feeling not so sure about a certain topic, when I needed advice, he was always there. He's extremely approachable, and anytime I had a problem, I knew I could reach out to him and ask him about absolutely anything. For example, when I wanted to completely change my idea, he wasn't reluctant, he wasn't saying, "Oh, are you sure?" He listened to me, he gave me suggestions, and was so open to just changing my idea completely and supported me through the entire journey. My project is called Aura Lens, and it's so surgeons can face really long surgeries. In these surgeries, they can go on for 10-12 hours, and their focus tends to basically wane and wax over the course of the surgery, and because of that, they don't actually know when their surgery is depleting, when their focus is depleting. Because of human error, they do make a few mistakes, and when the focus is deteriorating, that's when most mistakes are actually made in the operation theatre. So Aura Lens provides a monitoring system for surgeons where we're able to monitor their focus levels using their voice, their posture, and the amount of times they blink in a second. And by using all of these combined, we create a focus score. And when this focus score goes beyond the baseline is when we actually send an alert to them through a non-intrusive kind of way by changing the ambient lighting in the OR. And by that, just informing them that their focus is depleting, 96% of surgeons are able to actually regain their focus and avoid making mistakes. I think I wasn't really sure what AI was. I mean, everyone's heard of AI, everyone uses AI on a day-to-day basis, but no one really knows how AI works. Is there more to AI? What's going to be in the future? I used to think that AI is going to completely replace humans in the next 5 years. But by going through this project, seeing the foundations of AI, where AI is being built, I was able to understand, instead of AI replacing humans, AI and humans can work together collaboratively to solve problems that we are facing now. And this complete change in mindset has really inspired me to learn more about AI. Rather than this, even when I go home, I just want to go read more about AI, keep up with the latest news about AI.